apps disappeared from your iPhone's home screen, or some apps are missing but still installed, here are a few super easy ways to get back missing apps on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any iPhone running the latest iOS. First of all, if you can't find an app on the home screen, simply swipe down from anywhere to open the Spotlight search and type in the name of the app. And after you've found the app, simply long press on it and choose Add to Home Screen. But if the app doesn't come up when you search for it, then make sure you still have the app installed. Just open the App Store, search for the app, and install it if it's not. But if it says it's installed and you still can't find the app anywhere, not even in the app library, then maybe you have hidden the app and forgot about it. So to check the hidden app folder, just swipe right, go to the app library, scroll all the way down, tap on the hidden folder, and enter your passcode. And hopefully you'll find your missing app here. If you get it, then just add it back to home screen. Now in your case, if you know some apps are missing, maybe there's a lot of them, and you don't want to manually add them back, then you can simply open Settings, go to General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and reset the home screen layout. But note that if you reset the home screen layout, any customization that you made will be reset to default. After following all these steps, if some apps are still missing, then you may need to turn off content and privacy restrictions. And to do it, from the settings, go to Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions, Allowed Apps and Features, and turn on any app that's disabled. Or you can also try disabling the privacy restrictions altogether and see if that fixes it. You may need to restart your iPhone for it to take effect. And that's all. Hope this helped, and stay tuned for more.